that comes out so creamy. Y'all. Hi everybody, welcome to Chris Cooks. This week we are going to make a summer treat. All summer long, I just need something sweet and cold. I love an Italian ice, but I am not a big fan of the process of making it, so I'm leaning on my Ninja CREAMi to help me make the tastiest Piña Colada Italian ice that you've ever had. 4 ingredients, comes together really simply, and yeah, just plan ahead and make several of them because you're gonna want them all. We're gonna start with the juice of 1 lemon. The juiciness of lemons varies wildly from lemon to lemon, so we're gonna go for about 1/4 cup. If it's a little more, a little less, that'll be fine too. But we want all of that in there, and we start with that because then any seeds that we end up with, we can just pull them out with a spoon real quick. Lemon juice, just about that much in there. I'm probably sitting a little shy of 1/4 cup, but it'll be just fine. 1 cup of frozen pineapple. We want 1/4 cup of just coconut water. Not a ton, just a bit. And then the last ingredient, we have coconut syrup, and this just gets filled to that fill line. So we don't have to measure that at all, and I know that seems like a lot of syrup. This is not a low sugar dessert. Neither is Italian ice. It's a lot of sugar. But that's all right. Just shake it up, and then this goes right in the freezer. I had one of these already frozen. Key to getting these to mix real well is let them sit for 10 minutes. So I'm going to set this out. Be patient. It'll be a lot better when it comes out if you wait just 10 minutes. It's not necessarily required that you stand here the 10 minutes, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna stare at it for 10 minutes. Ding. And that comes out so creamy. Y'all. Shoot. That's good. That's ridiculously good. That is so tasty. Really fresh. The lemon juice, I mean, it's there, but the main flavors are like a piña colada. You get that pineapple from it being actual pineapple. The fresh pineapple helps with the creaminess of the texture. The coconut syrup is just perfect balance. This is a great treat to make all summer long. I think that you will really enjoy this one. Would love to know your thoughts in the comments. Would you try something like this? If you do, let me know what you think about it. Like, comment, subscribe, tap the bell for notifications for when our next video comes out, and make it for somebody you care about.